morning. Good morning, everyone. Goodness of fit. The validity of the distribution or the population we are checking or testing. We are using the concept is goodness of fit. And already previous లో చూసుకుంటే మనము ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో టెస్ట్ ఫర్ గుడ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫిట్ లో chi-square అప్లై చేయడానికి కండిషన్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఇస్ అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ అండ్ sum of observations, sum of observed frequency is equal to sum of expected frequency, and sum of frequencies is more than 50, and if any frequencies is less than 5, we are adjusted to nearest frequency. These are the four conditions. And testing procedure of goodness of fit. Testing procedure of goodness of fit. Here the technique of testing, the technique of testing the validity of the distribution is known as a goodness of fit. Validity of the distribution is known as a goodness of fit. What is mean by validity of distribution? For example, one statement belongs to some distribution or not. ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం అంటే ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ పలానా డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ కి రిలేటెడ్ కాదా? దట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్ ఆఫ్ గుడ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫిట్. we can say validity of the distribution. అందుకోసమే the technique of testing the validity of distribution is known as a goodness of fit. And also here step 2 ఉంది. Step 2 లో step 2 define H naught. We can write the distribution is suitable for the given data. Result of the test మనకు ఆల్రెడీ step 2 లో ఉంటుంది result of the test. That is first is accepted, second one is rejected. Accepted is the distribution is suitable for the given data, and H1 వచ్చేసి the distribution is not suitable for the given data. And also step 3 is for small samples chi-square test is given by goodness of fit law. Step 3 for small samples the chi-square test is given by, you can write the formula. Chi-square test is equal to summation OI minus EI whole square by EI follows the chi-square n minus 1 degrees of freedom. In this, where OI is the observed frequency and EI is the expected frequency. The expected frequencies of any distribution are calculated by the PMF or PDF with the help of the parameter. So expected frequency ni మనం find out చేస్తాం. Observed frequency question లో మెన్షన్ చేస్తాడు మనకు. సో అదే ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ గా మెన్షన్ చేశారు. The expected frequencies of any distribution are calculated by the PMF or PDF with the help of the parameter. So here step 4, if calculated chi-square value less than or equal to chi-square table value, then we accept the null hypothesis H0, otherwise reject the H0. So here related one question, chi-square test lo, goodness of fit lo, first problem. A survey of 220 families with 5 children, each relieved to the following distribution. There are 5 children, each related to the following distributions. So here number of boys and number of girls and number of families. The data, number of boys, number of girls and number of families. Number of 5 children, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here total 320 families lo based on the siblings or children, here we are divided. Number of boys, only 5 children, boys male ఉన్న families ఎన్నటంటే 14 families లో 14 families కి 5 member children ఉన్నారు, only boys. 56 families have one child is girl and remaining 4 is boys. 110 families, 2 girl, 2 child is girl and 3 child is boys. And also 88 families, 3 members are girls and 2 members are boys. 40 10 families, 4 members of girls, 1 member of boy, and 12 families only girls. Total చూసుకుంటే ఇక్కడ మనకు 320 families వస్తాయి. The data in this result consistent with the hypothesis the male and female births are equally probable and ante we can take the probability p equal to 1 by 2 and q equal to 1 by 2. Equally probability and we can take the binomial distribution in this data related to data. The PMF of binomial distribution is given by PMF of binomial distribution is given by P of x is equal to n c x and p power x and q power n minus x, and x is equal to 0, 1, 2, so on n. 0 less than or equal to p and less than or equal to 1, p equal to 1 minus p. And here p is getting probability of male birth. Here p is probability of getting male birth. Generally, ఇందాక చూసుకుంటే male and female births are equally probable అన్న. So we can take the 1 by 2, p equal to 1 by 2 and q equal to 1 by 2. Equally probability what? Based on the condition probability of getting male birth equal to probability of getting female birth. ఇది క్వశ్చన్ లో మెన్షన్ చేసిన కాబట్టి p equal to 1 by 2 and q equal to 1 by 2 తీసుకుంటాం. And the given problem number of childs is equal to n is equal to 5. ప్రతి ఒక్క ఫ్యామిలీలో నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్స్ వచ్చేసి 5 మెంబర్స్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి we can write p of x is equal to n c x and p power x and q power n minus x equal to 5 c x 1 by 2 power x and 1 by 2 power 5 minus x is the p of x, and ex get cancelled. Finally 5cx and 1 by 2 power 5, and we can write 5cx 1 by 2 power 5 and 1 by 32 into 5cx is the p of x. Function already done, and we want to find out the expected values. Expected frequencies are given by ఇందాక చెప్పిన మనం ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ PMF తోనే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం ప్రాబబిలిటీ మాస్ ఫంక్షన్ తోనే. కాబట్టి ప్రాబబిలిటీ మాస్ ఫంక్షన్ P of x is equal to 1/32 into 5CX ఫైండ్ అవుట్ అయింది. దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని we are finding the x values are 0 బర్త్. అంటే x వాల్యూస్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటున్నాను అంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ అంతకంటే ముందు ది ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ ఫ్రీక్వెన్సీస్ ఫార్ములా expected frequencies formula is equal to n into p of x. n into p of x చేస్తే మనకి expected frequencies వస్తుంది. దానికంటే ముందు x values either మనకి ఇక్కడ 2 values ఉన్నాయి. చిల్డ్రన్స్ లో చూసుకుంటే బాయ్స్ ఉంది, గర్ల్స్ ఉంది. ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా ఒక డేటా తీసుకోవచ్చు. బాయ్స్ డేటా అనేది తీసుకోవచ్చు, గర్ల్స్ డేటా అనేది తీసుకోవచ్చు. సో ఐ యామ్ టేకింగ్ ది గర్ల్స్ డేటా 0 1 2 3 4 5 and x values, and p of x is equal to 5CX and 1/32, and we can take the x value is 0. P of x is equal to 0. 5C 0 into 32. You can write the value 0.6035 and 1 x is equal to 1 తీసుకుంటే 5C1 into 32. You can write the value 0.1562 and x value 2 తీసుకుంటే 5C2 into 1/32. The value is 0.312. x value 3 తీసుకుంటే 5C3 equal to 32 equal to 0. Here also same 0.312 and 4 value తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఇక్కడ 5C4 into 1/32 equal to, you can write 0.156. One by 32 అని తీసుకుంటే 0.031 and expected frequencies n into p of x. n into p of x, n value is known, the 320 into p of x value is 0.6031. The value is 9.92. The nearest value is 10. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనం అడ్జస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం more than. If the frequency value is more than 5 అంటే 9 is more than 5 కాబట్టి here we are taking 10 and ఇక్కడ 49.92 and adjusted to nearest frequency and 99.84 and 100 99.84 adjusted to 100 and 49.92 adjusted to 50 and also 9.92 adjusted to 10. These are the expected frequencies. Then we want to find out the question of the problem. Expected frequencies find out చేసినాం కాబట్టి then we want to find out the observed frequencies. Chi-square test is equal to summation OA minus EI whole square by EI. Follow the chi-square is still -1 degrees of freedom. chi-square క్యాలిక్యులేటెడ్ వాల్యూ రావాలంటే ఈ టర్మ్ ని మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి ఫస్ట్ I can take the OI values and EI values and OI minus EI and OI minus EI whole square by EI. OI values అంటే we have a families, number of families 14, 56, 110, 88, 40, 12, 10, 50, 100, 50 and 10 expected frequencies before table, and the differences is 4, 6, 10, minus 12, minus 10, 2. The total value is 1.6, 0.72 and 1, 1.442 and 0.4. Summation OI minus EI whole square by EI value is 7.16 is the calculated value. Chi-square calculated value is 7.16 and at the 5% levels of significance, %, and n-1, and 5% is 5 minus 1, and 5% and 4 is equal to 5% and 4 degrees of freedom. We have a table value is 9.49 is a chi-square table value. The chi-square calculated less than or equal to chi-square table value, the condition is accepted. The chi-square calculated value is less than or equal to chi-square table value, then we accept the null hypothesis. And H naught ఏదైతే మనం ఇక్కడ తీసుకున్నామో H naught as the binomial distribution is suitable for the given data. మనకు ఒక డేటా ఉంది, ఆ డేటాకి ఒక పర్టికులర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ తీసుకున్నాం. ఆ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ తీసుకొని టెస్ట్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తే ఆ టెస్ట్లో యాక్సెప్టెడ్ అని వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఈ పర్టికులర్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ ది గివెన్ డేటా అని చెప్పడమే గుడ్నెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫిట్.